Rare photo of the world. The Black Day of Galveston, 1900 hurricane. Without modern forecasting systems, thousands had no idea that a deadly storm was approaching their city. In September 1900, Galveston, Texas was struck by a devastating hurricane that remains one of the deadliest natural disasters in American history. Powerful winds and a massive storm surge destroyed homes, businesses, and entire neighborhoods, leaving unimaginable devastation behind. The city recovered over time, but the scars left by that storm would never fully disappear from the memories of its survivors.